thing right here on the front to pull it, right?